Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today it's going to be a pretty cute little Oddish drawing. It's going to be really simple, so grab your markers and let's get started. We're going to start with the little face. We're going to start for the head, which is a really circular shape, so we're just going to start from here and draw the side. And we're going to repeat the same thing on this side, right here, and go down. We're going to leave a little space and draw his first foot. Really simple, and we're going to connect him all the way from this side to here to complete the bottom of Oddish. And let's do the other foot before we move on. So we're just going to draw in two lines right here, and then starting from this corner we're going to go around and draw the second foot facing down. With the 2 foot done, we could draw in the face. We're just going to draw 2 little pebble eyes, a little bit of highlight on either side. Let's give him a little cute mouth. So we just do a little U right here, and then open it up for a cute smile and a little line for the tongue. And Oddish is a plant, so we just need the leaves. So starting from the middle, we're going to go up, curve, and once you have that line complete, we're going to add a little notch, and we're going to curve back down to this point, like so. That's going to be the first leaf. And let's just draw a line down the middle, leave a little space, complete the line, and then we just need 2 more leaves on either side. We're going to start from the middle of this leaf, go up, from this corner go back down all the way to the head, like so. And let's just add a line for the middle all the way down for that side, and continue on the other side. We're gonna go from the middle of the leaf, go out, a little curve here, and go back down to the head. Same thing, add a little line in the middle. Let's give him 2 more leaves to give him a full head of leaves. Go up, curve down for the 1 leaf. Let's add 1 more line in the middle. And for this side, we're going to go from the middle of this leaf, go up, and curve back down for the final leaf. Oddish just needs some color real quick. And there we have it, a cute little Oddish drawing. If you have any suggestions for other Pokemon, please leave it in the comments down below. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.